Alright, welcome to my worm farm. Got some red wigglers in there, about 1,000 of them. And they call them red wigglers for a reason. Hopefully we're going to see why here in a minute. When I lift this paper, they wiggle. See, they all disappear, or try to. They don't like the light. They're saying, the light, the light. But yeah, as you can see, I've got some watermelon peels in there, a little bit of cornmeal, and about to feed them. See if I can do this with one hand here. Now that's a frozen block of vegetable and fruit scraps that have been put in a food processor, along with some eggshells. They're all crunched up and it's frozen. It melts over the next few days and they eat it. I put one in there every few days. And the whole purpose of this, there's two purposes. Number one is for fishing bait. Actually, number two is probably number two. Number one is the worms poop. They call it castings, and that makes some of the best plant fertilizer that exists in life. And over time, this container will fill and fill and fill and fill, and that'll be filled with castings that I'll eventually empty, get the worms out of the castings, and use those castings for fertilizer for my garden, for my plants. So that's the plan. It's also kind of a neat hobby, kind of a fun science project, and kind of fun to see how it goes. And the neighbors' kids love it, and everyone that comes over wants to see them. So it's kind of cool. But anyway, that's what's going on here. It's just passing for excitement these days.